Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Today A20e full repair. For tools you need an open phone and Phillips screwdriver and original part. Let's dive in inside. You open always from the middle frame. I put super fast guys because you have plenty of this option how to open and everything. You see frame to frame. Let's unscrew the screw from the top plate as always. For this, in any case, if you struggle with something, let us know because we are glad to help everybody, because our goals is to teach everybody how to repair it. For this, said that, we remove it all the plastic. Let's go back inside. Follow, like and share guys, that's help us to do more content. We remove it to the motherboard with the antenna, as you can see from inside of the video. We open the new part. You see, even if it's original, something you need to remove it from the previous screen, that is the vibration. Most of the original screen doesn't have it. Bottom speaker and top speaker, go gently. There is the entrance point always. For this you can see clearly that you can put a tweezers, and with the lifting slowly you will take it. For this, remove it that. After we need to remove the battery. The battery is a little bit more complex. For this we put a little bit of isopropylic alcohol, but you can use even general alcohol underneath, and we're heating up. In case if you don't have the heating machine at home, you can put hair dryer slowly on the surface where is the battery, not at the high speed, because if you know you let blow the battery. When you did that, we started to re-put the motherboard back. We started to reconnect the antenna, and the job pretty much is done. It takes few minutes for remove the battery, but after you remove it as a battery, as you can see from the video. For this, always these are good tips. Remember, we put double-sided tape for hold it back the battery in the behind the new screen, and when it's done that, we start to connect everything. So sorry, but with these gloves I'm very bad to connect the connector. You see, I struggled so much because I don't have the sensibility. As always, phone repair your house or your guru at the best repairing shop in the world. Let's go guys ahead. We start to put few screw. We close it everything's together because the job seems done. Like a share, follow us from wherever you see us. This is helpful if you like our content. Let's go guys. Let's finalize all this repair after. Please always follow us. Now we clean it everything because the cleaning is a must on our job. As soon as we did that, we're gonna close the case around it. As we open, we close. And now will be time for testing. I hope you enjoyed this video guys. phonerepairmalta.com is our website where you find many articles for reading and learn. And we hope that you enjoyed this video. Follow us, like this we grow our channel and we make more content for you. Let's go.